What do they have? Oh, they got the grapes at 260. Oh, they do have. Now, what was the Gulbana? Gulbana was like the pear, right?
It's white.
Hi.
It has a white meat. It's really sweet.
Oh, there's a pomelo.
Yeah.
Is it watermelon? Do you grow these yourself? Babe, ask, do they grow this themselves?
Yeah.
No, I said ask.
Taga saan po yung mga...
Is this their garden?
Taga sa farm nyo? Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. So, what you got there? You got your sugar and your cinnamon and nutmeg. You've got one pomelo of pink, one pomelo in white. He's already shredded him up. And the other one you keep whole, but you already took the seeds out earlier, babe?
Yeah, you want to take out the seeds because those seeds are bitter.
Right.
So make sure you do that.
Right. So he already put them in chunks. And what you going to do next?
We're going to blend them.
Okay. So you take half of the mix and you put it in the blender. And he's going to make some jams. And don't let the kiddies get it.
Right.
Actually, I wonder what you can do with the rind. Filipinos always do something. We'll find out.
Right.
And then there's 2 cups of water. And that's the jar he's going to put the jam in afterwards. And your lid. Make sure you get that on there. Is that on there good?
It's more fun without it.
It's more fun without. Does that balance?
Looks like milk.
It does. Yeah, because when you guys are cooking jam, you actually want to bring it to a boil for a little while. So from here, everything just kind of goes in and gets... Yeah, I put the pulp in, and then after that comes to a boil, you want to add your sugar. George has been doing this for a while. We've made all kinds of stuff. You've made, remember the bacon jam? Oh my God. George makes I'd wait for the sugar.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Yeah, the sugar you usually wait for. So yeah, there's your spoon. And then just going to bring this to a boil. Right, babe?
Yep. Hey guys, it's been about 10 minutes. That's kind of boiling right now.
All right.
Now it's time to put in the sugar.
He's got 5 cups of sugar. George's favorite. Probably bring that down to a medium heat, don't you? Or
Yeah.
yeah, make sure you stir it in. Yeah. And now.
Oh, I already put it. We put
You-
a couple dashes.
Of nutmeg and cinnamon. There's different ways that we've seen this. George usually just puts nutmeg, okay, and cinnamon, but we've seen people put cardamom. There was another one I seen somebody put pods. It depends. Pomelo is all over the world, and they've been doing these jams. We even seen a recipe from Los Angeles too, and I think it was cardamom they were trying to put in theirs. I think it was. But okay, well, and then we're gonna let that come to a boil, guys.
Looks like noodle soup.
It does. It looks like cabbage soup there, babe.
Yeah.
Cabbage soup. You hungry, George?
Yeah, same.
It's actually getting there. It's thickening up. All right, what's going on, baby?
Alright, so it's thickening up. So hey guys, To counter the bitterness of the pomelo, okay, now keep in mind, pomelo is normally sweet, but for some strange reason, when you make jam, it turns a little bit bitter.
Which is a Filipino. Filipinos like bitterness. What's that bitter fruit you like, or bitter vegetable?
Ampalaya. It's called bitter fruit. Yeah. So to counter it, you can add in a couple packs of tang or 8 o'clock from Minute.
Yeah, it's like a 1 liter mix. He adds 2 of those, so we'll put that in the recipe.
Yeah. So it gives it more citrusy flavor.
Yeah, and some people do add orange to this, like 2 or 3 oranges to give it that flavor, and it's going to color it a little bit for you, but it's going to give it that tang orange, and it's got a lot of vitamin C on top of it. So, and he's still cooking that down to a boil, guys. So,
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Okay, keep stirring until it thickens. Do this about for probably 10-20 minutes or so, depending on how much product you're producing. When I was single, I used to cook this for the ladies.
George, what did you say?
Oh, nothing. Oh, look! Looks really good, babe.
Hurry up with that jam and get upstairs.
Hey guys, a good test to know if it's ready. Just grab a regular spoon, dip it in, and if you pull it out and you can see like there's some form of like oily substance, then that means it's gonna turn to a nice thick syrup.
Yeah, so it's to that boiling stage. It's probably been about 20 minutes, but you guys will want to stir it until it actually feels, to me, it almost feels like Jell-O on the bottom. You know, it's kind of, you could feel the resistance. Probably 20 to 30 minutes. It just depends on, like we're using a nonstick pan. Another type of pan, it may cook quicker.
Well, it's like gravy.
It feels like gravy, so that should be, but you don't want to cook it too super long. Don't get into 40 or 50 minutes because then it could crystallize. A good amount of times, 20 minutes maybe.
Yeah, I forgot about the
And
crystal.
we're going to pour it in a jar and a container and check it out in the morning.
All right, see ya, guys.
How's your single lady jam working out?
Hey folks, so we let it sit overnight.
And be sure to cook it down, guys. You want to be able to cook it down.
Yeah, it takes, what?
20, 30 minutes,
yeah.
until it's thick.
Yeah.
And then, because it's still warm here, once we put this in the fridge, it will get thicker. Remember, it's like 90 degrees, 78% humidity. So, remember, pomelo is bitter, not sour, but the orange powder, the tang probably gave it a kick.
It tastes like an orange marmalade.
Probably it should, yes, and it's probably bitter too.
No. Well, there's it tastes like an orange marmalade, and then you take a bite of the orange peel. You know how some marmalades have an orange peel in it?
And then it's bitter. People like that bitterness.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Filipinos will definitely like
some
that.
of you guys have had marmalade with the orange peel in them.
Mhm.
This is exactly what this tastes like. It tastes like marmalade jam with the orange peel.
And you can follow the exact same instructions and use all oranges and add the orange powder, and then it'll be double orange. So you don't have to do pomelos.
Right.
You can actually do that with other fruit.
Yeah, and again, if you're gonna use it with oranges, if you like that bitter, it's a subtle bitter taste to it.
It is.
You basically just put slivers of peel into the jam.
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Rudolph, my dear,